If you're an e-commerce brand owner, then this video is going to show you exactly how you can improve your shopping performance on Google without spending any additional advertising dollars. And it's all about improving your product and your store rating on Google Shopping ads. I'm going to talk about how to integrate product ratings so you see your product ratings on your shopping listings. And I'm also going to show you step by step how you can improve your shopping experience through Google Merchant Center so you can achieve the top quality store badge and get trusted by more users on Google, improve your shopping performance, and scale into 6 figures on Google Ads. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let's start by talking about how ratings actually help you on Google Shopping. So the first thing they do is they make your listings more eye-catching. For context, here is an example of Google Shopping ads for men's knitted fleeces. So you can see some of these ads are serving product ratings, some of them are not. So the eye is automatically drawn to these product ratings. So you can see the product rating itself out of 5 stars, plus the number of reviews. So very eye-catching for the user and a great way of differentiating yourself from other product listings. Google Shopping is a really lucrative sales channel for a lot of e-commerce brands. So by being eye-catching, you're also going to increase your click-through rate. Really important, you want to be taking clicks away from competitors and obviously bringing people to your website. So if you can increase the number of people clicking through your shopping listings, well then chances are you'll be able to scale your Google ads much easier. And then the last thing that Google product ratings do that's often not talked about is that it builds trust pre-click. So the burden of building trust and showing off some social proof shouldn't be solely on your landing page. It should be starting all the way from your ad that you're serving to this user. And a great way to do that is by implementing your product ratings. So you can see already 255 people have rated this product, say a 4.5 star out of 5. And over here, the same applies, 381 people, 5 star out of 5. So users are automatically feeling a greater sense of trust even before clicking through on this ad. So let's talk about the setup if you're a Shopify store. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to submit this product ratings interest form. And basically all this is saying to Google that yes, you want to sign up for product ratings on Google Merchant Center. And then you'll be asked to answer a few simple questions. So if you are a Shopify store, chances are you work with a third-party review aggregator. So a lot of brands we work with things like Trustpilot or Judge.me. And so in this instance, you would tick yes. Then there are a few different ways that you can implement product reviews in Google Merchant Center. The first is through Google's own customer reviews. Now, this is quite user-friendly. You basically just sign up and then Google has the burden of collecting these reviews from your customers. The vast majority of businesses we work with don't use this because they use a third-party aggregator instead. Then there are a series of official aggregator platforms that integrate directly with Google Merchant Center. I think there's 33 in total. And some of these include Trustpilot, Stamped, Trustpilot being the one that we see most often used by e-com brands. And then you have non-official ratings aggregators. And the biggest one we're going to see here is Judge.me, used by about 70 to 80% of the e-com brands we partner with. It's quite a low cost aggregator. It's very user-friendly. It's very good, but it doesn't have a direct integration with Google Merchant Center. So you have to actually upload manually via Shopify. Now, Judge.me have a really comprehensive guide on how to do this, so I'm not going to run through it step by step, but basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to upload your product ratings via Shopify. So set up Judge.me, connect it to Shopify, make sure your Shopify is connected to Google Merchant Center, follow their guide, and you'll be able to sync up your product ratings into Google Merchant Center. A couple of things you do need to be aware of. You need to have a total of 50 reviews to be eligible for this program. You need 3 reviews at least on any single product if you want to serve product ratings for that particular product. And then you need to have a little bit of patience because it takes 2 to 4 weeks from first completing that interest form where you say to Google that you are interested in product ratings all the way through to product ratings actually serving on your ads. But when they do, it means that you're going to see these product ratings come through on your Google Shopping ad. And I can speak from experience, this has a really positive impact on click-through rate, total clicks, total sales, everything like that. It only has a positive effect on your Google Shopping ads. It costs absolutely nothing to set up. Just set it up. You'll see improved performance. Just do it. So next up then is the top quality store. This is basically an indication by Google that you rank highly across a number of categories when it comes to user experience by, purchase, returns, shipping, browsing. It's really beneficial for you for a number of reasons. So if you're an e-com store, chances are you've got a lot of competition. So you need to stand out and you need to show a level of trustworthiness to prospective customers. When you become a top quality store, not only will you rank higher according to Google in the shopping results, but you will also be able to show a badge. You can show it directly on your website, but you can show it on your product listings themselves. So you can see here, this store that we have is marked as exceptional. So we are a top quality store. This is fantastic. And that means that when we want to serve shopping ads, we can show up with this badge here. And again, building huge amounts of trust, social proof, pre-click, really, really useful. Once again, this costs absolutely nothing to set up, but it can be kind of difficult. So I'm going to talk through what you need to be focusing on in order to get this badge. So there's 5 categories that matter the most. These 5 categories range from browsing experience to purchase, shipping, returns, and store ratings. So let's go through each individually, starting with browsing experience. Again, all of these are going to be benchmarked against other stores in your country. A few things with browsing experience: you need to be showing people high quality images. You need to be showing many images. So not only should you have a really high resolution main image or primary image for your product, but you should also have 8 to 10 other images showing the product from different angles, lifestyle, uses of the product. Really important, because people again can click through these images, they can get a better sense of what it is they're clicking into, and it just increases the overall browsing experience. And that's what it's all about here, browsing experience. The next thing then is, once someone does click through, are they clicking through to a website that is nice and quick, both on desktop but also on mobile? So the sweet spot here is load speed less than 2 seconds. What can you do to improve your browsing experience today? High resolution images only. Don't have any blurry images. They are not going to help you. More images per listing. So the more images from different angles that give value to the customer, the better your browsing experience is going to be deemed. And then ultimately a really fast load speed on your landing page. Next up is your purchase experience. 2 things really matter with purchase experience. The first is promotions in Google Merchant Center. So if you have set up promotions directly in Google Merchant Center and those promotions don't match the promotions you have on your website, well, Google really doesn't like that and you're going to be penalized. Now, in this case here, we don't have any active promotions, so you can't see it. But it's really important to match up any promotions you have in terms of details and dates and coupon codes and everything like that, so you avoid having promotions rejected. Has a really negative impact on your store. The next thing is your e-wallet options. How can customers pay? Can they pay by Apple Pay, Google Wallet, PayPal, Amazon Pay? So the more options you give customers to pay, Google deems that a better purchase experience. How can we improve our purchase experience? No inaccurate promotions, avoid at all costs, and offer multiple payment options when you can. Next up is the shipping experience, and you're beginning to get into territory that's very difficult for you to adjust as a brand owner. You're often bound by certain shipping regulations, costs, etc. But where you can, try to keep delivery time to a minimum and shipping cost as low as possible. This will create a better shipping experience, and again, you will have a higher likelihood of having a top quality badge being deemed an exceptional store in your country. Next up is your returns experience. So not only are you giving people good, quick, and cheap shipping, but also are you giving people an option to return products if they're not satisfied or if they want a different product. What's your window for this? Are you giving people a fair and broad window for them to return goods? So we say at least 30 days, if not more. And then what's the cost to the customer to return said goods? Again, decreasing delivery time, lower your returns costs. This is going to be something that is going to improve your returns experience and is going to feed back to your overall store quality. And then the last thing is your store rating. So store rating differs from product ratings. So product ratings are specific to individual products. Store rating is more of a general store experience that someone has had. So collecting post-purchase customer reviews is fantastic. You can do this at the product level or at the store level. These don't only just serve in shopping ads, they can also serve in text ads like such. So you'll have your headline over here, you'll have a description here, but you can also serve these store ratings here in your text ads or your search campaigns. And again, that's really useful for building trust, building social proof, and increasing CTR. Collect customer reviews post-purchase. These are people you want to hear from regardless. You should be doing it anyway, but it is something that can improve your store rating and ultimately feed back then into your top quality store badge efforts. If you've done all these things, if you've optimized across all those 5 main categories, you might be lucky enough to be like our brand partners who are achieving a top quality store badge. And if you achieve that top quality store badge, not only are you able to show that badge in your shopping listings, you're also able to show it on your website, and Google says that you will rank higher in shopping ads as a result. So improve performance. It's something we see lift performance at least 20% when we achieve it. It does take a small bit of time, that along with product ratings, but it's something we focus on from the get-go. Anytime we onboard a new client, we're all about looking at Google Merchant Center, not just what we can do at a product level in terms of product optimization, feed optimization, and I'm going to talk about that in a later video, but at a store level, what can we do to elevate this store right away, bring us closer to this exceptional status so we can get this top quality store badge, so we can rank higher, get higher click-through rates and higher growth on our shopping campaigns. If you have the perseverance to follow through with this and you're able to be more competitive on shipping, returns, you're able to do the basics like have a quick load speed, give multiple high resolution images on your listings, there's a lot of low hanging fruit that you can do that takes very, very little time, but it will have a profound impact. You'll be able to serve these product ratings and you'll also be able to serve this top quality store badge, which I promise you will only have positive impacts on your shopping ads, your Google ads in general, and your overall store's performance. If you're an ecom brand owner and you need help with any of this, as I said, it can take a little bit of time. It can take a little bit of elbow grease and it can take a little bit of nuance to understand what you need to do to improve. If you need a little bit of help with that, then book a call with me below. My link will be in the description and I'll show you the exact steps you need to take in order to achieve these really powerful attributes and improve your shopping campaigns from today. So I hope you found this video useful and I'll see you at the next one.